Hello, this is novaTopFlex. This is just a short video, not technically a short though. It is in landscape and over 3 minutes, but it is intended to be a video showcasing I think it's TianoCore, I'm not sure how to pronounce it, Tianocore, but it is the BIOS, the UEFI that we use on QEMU system AArch64, referring to the QEMU community on my distribution of choice is Ubuntu for now. I'm on Ubuntu 24.04.2 LTS, and I have the EFI, the BIOS for this QEMU system AArch64 setup. It comes from the QEMU-EFI-AArch64 package. So that's how I am able to boot an AArch64 64-bit ARM architecture. I am actually showcasing all the settings. My favorite display resolution, just so you know, is 1280 by 720. I wish I could do 1920 by 1080 as well, but that is actually my host system's resolution. It's very difficult for me to set up this virtual machine. The reason it's so difficult is because my host system is x86-64, and my Debian virtual machine, which is having a hard time, is actually AArch64, ARM architecture 64-bit. I am trying my best to reconfigure my Debian virtual machine setup so that I can safely and successfully do the following. I still need to install the last commands I was trying to install. I do not want to delete my bash history, but it is dpackage dpkg --configure -a, and I forgot my previous fully functional setup. I actually did, however, change another setup, part of the settings that I did not have before. I am supposed to now have audio pass through to the ARM architecture, 64-bit ARM architecture virtual machine now. So these are now the boot options. Debian is what I would do. There are a few other things. When it says that we have a console option, 80 by 25 is the required console. I would much rather use 80 by 24 if available, but 80 by 25 is just fine. Whatever works with the BIOS, works well for me. It doesn't matter if it's 80 by 25 or 80 by 24, and for some people, you may not even care if it's 80 by 24 versus 80 by 25. But in the past, it was more important to distinguish 80 by 24 as typical and 132 by 24 as being considered wide or long or whatever it was at the time. But I will look at the console output modes soon. Okay, I would like to do 80 by 24, but unfortunately that is not available. Keep in mind that other settings in the BIOS might be blanked out or unavailable on all virtual machine systems. If you like this kind of content and want to see more, please consider liking, sharing, commenting, subscribing, and trying to hack the YouTube algorithm. And so you don't miss a new video in the future, hopefully. And with that, thanks for watching, and until next time.